What's another great leg exercise out there that we all do? The lunge. Stick around guys, and we're going to go through the technique of how to do that next.
Don't look back, we're here to stay, a life we knew would come.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Shock Factor Fitness. My name's Ethan, and today we're looking at how to do a lunge in 4 simple steps to make sure that you're going to get the most out of this exercise. The lunge on its own is a fantastic exercise. It's focusing on your quads and your glutes primarily. Once you combine it with other exercises, it's even better. So for the first step, we start with a strong upright posture. As we step forward into the lunge position, we need to make sure we keep both of our feet a shoulder's width apart. That way we still have balance as we move through the exercise. So moving into step 2, as you've positioned your feet firmly onto the ground, you need to make sure that you're keeping the weight through the balls of your feet and the heel of your front foot. You need to also ensure that you keep the heel of your back foot lifted slightly. Moving into step 3, with this one you need to make sure that you're leading with the knee of your back leg to lower your body, which will help keep control of the exercise. As you move down, you need to make sure that you stop just before your knee touches the floor. And lastly, step 4. Once you reach the bottom of your lunge position, you need to start making your way back up. To do this, you need to make sure you keep absolute control of the movement.
And so there you have it guys, 4 simple steps on how to do your lunge correctly. Key things to remember: not letting that knee go past the toe on the front foot, and that movement through the back foot whilst keeping your posture upright. Nice, simple, you're going to get the most out of that exercise and reduce injury along the way. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below what's one exercise that you want to have a tutorial on how to do, that way you know that you're doing it properly. All the best guys, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Shock Factor Fitness.
Looking through the eyes